Hello, traders, and welcome to the Friday Wrap-Up, October 17th, 2014, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Just had a little technical issue with my internet today, so we're running just a little bit late. Not too bad. It is currently 10 a.m. in the morning in Thailand on a Saturday. Absolutely beautiful day today. And traders, I'm telling you, when I'm done with this, we're off to the gazebo, to the beach. All right, traders. We do the Friday wrap-up after the New York close, and we're going to go over some daily charts. Due to the issues I had, we don't have 16 daily charts today. I think we have only about 10, but that'll work. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilda. I'm your moderator through the Friday wrap-up, which is done every Friday after the New York close. I also do the market opening preview every single day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006. 2008, I retired from the Public Safety Department in the great state of Florida. Decided to come on a 3-month holiday to Thailand. And traders, I'm still here. I guess I'm still on a holiday. Having a great time. Traders, I trade the Forex market every single trading day. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to trade, but I'm always looking for opportunity. Traders, let's get the legal stuff out of the way. Just a little bit about myself. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, please make sure the money you're trading is extra money that you don't have any problem losing it. And always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, what a week we had. Quite interesting. The markets had some great moves Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Yesterday was a little sluggish, but I have to tell you, it wasn't too bad. Let's take a look at how we closed on Friday. The Dow closed up 1.63%. The S&P 500 closed up 1.29%. And the NASDAQ 100 closed up at 1.33%. I guess they got over Fed Chairwoman Yellen's comments the day before, and the markets decided to rebound. All right, let's go over to the Eurozone and take a look at this. Everybody looks like they're in the green. The DAX is up 3.12%. The FTSE 100 is up 1.85%. And the CAC 40 is up 2.92%, with the Euro Stoxx 50 up, 3.05%. Unbelievable. All right, let's take a look at Asia. Let's take a look at what's going on. None of these are trading. This is the Nikkei 225 closed negative at 1.40%. The S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney, Australia, closed at positive 0.32%. The Shanghai was down at negative 0.65%, with the Hang Seng was up at 0.53%, and the Kospi closed in the red at 0.95%. The big thing you have to worry about this weekend, traders, is I hope you're not in any trades, and if you are in a safe position. Remember, we have a G20 summit going on, so there's a lot of talk going on right now. So I hope you're not in a trade. So be careful if you are and protect yourself. All right, what do you say? Let's head over to the daily charts. These are all daily charts, okay? And we're just basically we're looking at direction and what we want to look for next week and what we saw last week. All right, so let's go on. And as usual, first one we're going to talk about is euro dollar. Take a look at this euro dollar. It's very bearish. But you can see in the last 2 weeks it's been like up and down. And to me, this just looks like a fib. And this is going to eventually continue to the downside. You could see Thursday and Friday were both red candles. And the last red candle looks pretty strong to me. So I would continue to look to stay bearish on the euro dollar with good numbers coming out of the United States. And they're basically saying that the recovery is stronger than they thought. There was a FOMC person talking yesterday. So with that comment, I think the dollar will stay strong. Let's take a look at the euro yen. Euro yen is below the 200 exponential moving average, which is that green line. It did go up for 3 days, but I do not expect that to continue. It's closing on a doji. So I'm expecting this to absolutely turn around and head back down to the downside at some point. I would say at that 137.00 level, I would expect to see this turn around. That's a pretty strong resistance area, and we would look for that to come back down the other way. Remember, traders, these are daily charts. All right, let's take a look at the dollar yen. dollar yen, again, Thursday, Friday, two nice blue, strong candles. And look at how far away the 200 exponential moving average is. That's the green line on the chart. It's quite away from price. So I wouldn't worry about that. However, if you do not have a dollar index chart on your charts, it's not a bad idea to take a look at the dollar yen. It pretty much mimics the dollar index chart. So if you do not have a dollar index chart, take a look at the dollar yen chart and it'll give you the same basic information. So again, we're getting dollar strength back, and you can see it here also. So it looks like the dollar's strong again. Here's the dollar CAD. Let's take a look at the dollar CAD. Again, Thursday, wow, look at that wick. That was that news. They had major news come out on Thursday, and that's why we had that big wick on Thursday. However, Friday recovered and is back, moving up to the upside. It's coming up to that psychological level, though, at 1.1300, so we want to keep an eye on that. But moving nicely, higher highs and higher lows. We don't like those wicks. Looks like we're going to get rid of them, though. It looks like price is going to continue to take them out. I'd love to see this come up to 1.1400. That would be awesome. All right, traders, here we go. This is the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar is in a down trend. However, it has been sideways. So we're just going to watch this really close, and we're going to see how this works. But, we're looking at dollar strength, and Friday closed with a doji, but look at that wick. That's a really nice wick on Friday's candle. So I call them little thrusters, and that to me looks like this is going to come out. We need to take out that 8650 area. Really, first, it took out 8700 already, so that's not going to be a problem getting past that. But that 8660 area, 8650 area, we need to take that low out. And traders, I think the Aussie dollar is on the way down again. All right, let's take a look at the pound dollar, the good old pound. What's going on with the pound? Up, down, all around? I mean, if you take a look about 14 to 15 candles back, it's pretty ugly. It's just been up and down. Every day has been different. I in the live trading room, I've been just telling traders, listen, trade what's in front of you, trade what's going on in the day. Look at Friday, we closed at a doji for the end of the week. So we have no idea what's going to happen here. So we wouldn't want to be taking any trades in Asia session, that's for sure. And we definitely want to wait for the London Open. And I didn't check if there is any data coming out on Monday for the pound. However, the dollar is strong, so I have to tell you, I would expect this to come down unless there's something to move the pound to the upside. And there's sure no good news coming out of the UK, so I don't think we're gonna have to worry about that. I think this is going to resume back to the downside, like that doji. Let's keep the trend. We're below the 200 exponential moving average, so let's keep going. All right, here's one of my best trading pairs to trade. Traders, if you have not been trading live at least 6 months to a year, do not trade the pound yen. They call it the beast for a reason. It's very, very erratic. It's very hard to trade. So please only trade this if you have some experience and some time under your belt in trading. However, this does look nice. Look at this. This pound yen came back up to the 200 exponential moving average on Friday. Remember, these are daily charts, and what did it do? Stop straight in its tracks. Looks like it's going to take it out, though. This G20 summit's going on this weekend, and I would expect that we are going to see some gaps in our next Asia session. So keep an eye on the pound yen, the old beast, and maybe this will resume. If this closes on Monday above that 200 exponential moving average, I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing going back to the upside. So this is going to be a little tricky. We're going to have to watch this one, and we're going to have to trade this one very carefully. All right, here's the dollar Swiss. This is our last chart of the Friday wrap-up. Dollar Swiss was in a nice uptrend, and all of a sudden decided to take a break. Look at this. Cannot overemphasize support and resistance, my friends. Look at this. Right back to 0.9400, psychological area, double zeros. What happens Thursday, Friday? Up she goes. And what happened with the euro? Down she goes. They're correlated. What one does, the other one does the opposite of. And this looks like this is going to start to head back up. We'd like to see this go back up to that 9,700. That's a lot of pips. But we'll see what happens. But as far as trading it, How are we going to trade it? We are biased to the long side. We want to take this long, my friends. Absolutely, 100%. We want to look to take the dollar Swiss long. All right, traders. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Well, hopefully it's a Friday for you, but it's an early Saturday morning for me, and my weekend's about to start. So, traders, we will see you on Monday before the London Open with the market opening preview every trading day, Monday through Friday, and then after the New York close, of course, we have the Friday wrap-up. Traders, enjoy your weekend break, re-energize, and get ready for another exciting week next week of the Forex spot market. We're going to be here with you. Take care, have a good one, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.